Hello, dear future homeowner. Celine here, licensed real estate broker, showing you now the Abigail Model House. Join me as I congratulate my client from Canada who secured a 236 square meter corner Abigail unit here in Madonna Residences located in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Originally, my client reserved an inner Melcon unit but later on upgraded to a corner Abigail unit. Iba din kasi talaga ang charm ng corner lot at mas maganda naman talaga pag maluwag ang property line mo dahil mas madami kang malalagay at magagawa. So if you are actively looking for a house and lot here in Pampanga na magaan sa bulsa, since pati down payment natin ay pwede ding installment, dito na kayo bumili. Fully furnished na din ang ating mga bahay kaya pag na-turnover po, may appliances at furnitures ng kasama. At maganda din ang ating interior sa ating mga bahay tapos personal belongings and decors na lang po ang kulang. Highly recommended ko po dahil kami din ay nakabili mismo sa previous project nila in Mawing Estate at ganitong unit din ang kinuha namin. Gabriel naman ang name ng model house which is Abigail naman ang counterpart niya dito sa Madonna. Plus, ang ganda pa ng ating location. Near major establishments like government offices, schools, churches, malls, and restaurants. Tapos, in between Angeles City and San Fernando proper pa. Plus, 30 to 40 minutes drive lang to Clark International Airport and malapit lang din to sa NLEX Mexico and NLEX San Fernando exit. Gross monthly income requirement natin is 180,000 pesos and above po. Just submit all the requirements and we will process the loan for you. Pre-selling po tayo dito in Madonna kaya while paying for the down payment, ang kagandahan naman is ginagawa din po ang bahay ninyo unlike sa other developers na kailangan complete at fully paid muna ang ating down payment bago gawin ang bahay. So we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living area, dining area with lanai, modular kitchen, and we have a service area which includes a laundry area and a dirty kitchen. Marami pa din po tayong freebies like bed frames with headboards, sofa set, and dining set plus appliances po like 55 inches TV, aircon, double door ref, oven, and built-in oven po. So, avail nyo na po yan. Reserve na po kayo para habang marami pang freebies, sulit na sulit po ang ating package. Complete amenities din po tayo. We have swimming pool, clubhouse, parks and playgrounds, basketball court, jogging pathways, and picnic area. If interested, message us so we can assist you better. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for updates and promos. Thank you, dear future homeowners!